Vivian Sanchez. And our next batter is Ethan Bullock. And he gets it on the first swing.
Don't fight your teammate for the ball.
And Andres Nava scores for the team. Up next for the Astros, Celeste Morales.
I'm tripping on how they little legs.
And Celeste hits that towards the left side. There's no one there. Shania's going for it. Joshua Ribayez in. And our final batter for the Astros is Ruben Fernandez.
What's that?
And Ruben hits it. Keep on running, Ruben, as fast as you can. This is Jose Luna. Jose, make sure you touch home plate. There you go. Followed by Ethan Bullock and Celeste Morales. Let's cheer Ruben on as he makes the long trip around the bases.